This store's raked in over $3 million by selling ridiculously simple digital products. And guess what? You can create these money-making wonders in just seconds. And in today's video, I'm going to spill all the juicy details and show you exactly how to kickstart your own epic business using the power of AI. I'll even give you some cool tricks and tools that will make the whole process a breeze. It's like having your own secret stash of success formulas right at your fingertips. Trust me, I've got your back. I'll break it down for you in 3 simple steps, so stick around and you defo won't regret it. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, I need to tell you all about clip art graphics. They're like these ready-made images or illustrations that you can easily pop into your designs. It's like having a PNG image with a transparent background, all set to seamlessly add to any project. So I did some serious digging and found this mind-blowing Etsy store that's all about selling clip art's graphics. And they've been making some serious cash. We're talking about a jaw-dropping total revenue of $3.27 million. And they consistently make around $30,000 per month. Impressive, right? Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, this store has been in business since 2014. No wonder they're raking in the dough. Well, guess what? That's not the whole story. There are smaller players who are absolutely crushing it too. Take this Fresh store, for example, that launched on December 11th, 2022. Believe it or not, they've already raked in over $26,000, with monthly earnings soaring past $5,000. This just goes to show that anyone, yes, even you, can achieve seriously impressive results in no time. The only thing holding you back is, well, nothing. So let's get into it. Alright, let's dive into step 1, clip art research, and really dig deep into finding the best options for your designs. Before you start creating images, I've got some insider tips that will give you a head start. We want to make sure you're not competing with a gazillion other artists, so here's the trick. Instead of just searching for generic clip art, let's narrow it down to a specific category. For example, if you're into flowers, search for flowers clip art. You'll notice right away that there are fewer results, which means less competition and more chances for your work to shine. Now, here's where things get interesting. The review section. Trust me, it's a hidden treasure trove of valuable insights. Take a moment to dive into the comments and feedback from users. Recent reviews that indicate the store is making sales are like gold dust. They give you a glimpse into what people are actually looking for. Let me give you an example. One customer said these digitals are absolutely beautiful. The colors are striking, but they aren't too bright or vibrant. This feedback tells you that some people prefer more vibrant colors in their clip art. It's like getting a sneak peek into their minds. Now, as you scroll down and explore the clip art images, you'll discover something truly amazing. They have a unique quality of being both simple and eye-catching at the same time. So take your time to browse through them, get inspired, and have a clear idea of what you want the AI to draw for you. This step is super important because it helps you understand the style and aesthetics that really connect with your target audience. It's like uncovering the secret recipe for success. By following these steps, you'll not only find the perfect clip art for your designs in no time, but you'll also have an edge over the competition. Now that you've got all the insights from customer reviews and a clear vision of what catches the eye, you're ready to create some seriously awesome visuals that will make your work stand out from the crowd. And the best part is that I'll show you how to draw these visuals in a matter of seconds using AI. It's gonna be a breeze. Now let's dive right in and create some amazing clip art images. We're going to use Leonardo AI because honestly, it's awesome. Not only does it have a free plan, but the layout is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Plus, you don't even need Discord integration. Now, picture this. You want to create something similar to this awesome product. First, copy the main keywords from the title. Then hop over to Leonardo AI, paste those keywords into the prompt box and click generate. Let's search for vase of flowers clip art and see what Leonardo AI comes up with. But hold on. As you can see, this isn't exactly what I'm looking for. So I took it up a notch and added something like a white background and watercolor. Boom. Check out the stunning results it generated. Isn't that incredible? And you can do the same to make the image more vibrant and captivating. Of course, you can also ask ChatGPT for clip art design ideas in your preferred niche. Once you find an idea you like, just paste it into Leonardo AI and let your creativity take flight. Next up, let's take those images to the next level and make them stand out from the competition. I recommend making your pictures high resolution. And here's a juicy bonus tip. Use the HD Crisp Upscale feature in Leonardo AI. See that upscale option button? Click it to add more details to your design. But if you're happy with the original, just download it by clicking the button right here. And if you want to upscale it, head over to Upscale Media and give it a go. Alright, we're almost there. Now it's time to remove the background. You can do it right here in Leonardo AI itself, or you can try out Erase Background. It's another awesome tool. Just click on Upload Image and find the picture on your device. It's as simple as that. Watch as it automatically removes the background for you, and there you have it. Your clip art is ready to go, looking fantastic. Now stick around because in the next step, I'm going to show you how to prepare these images for selling and how to upload them to your online store. It's going to be a game changer. Now let's get into the steps of packaging your awesome clip art images and uploading them to your online store. First things first, we need to organize our images in one place. To do that, let's upload them to a Google Drive folder. Just create a folder on Google Drive and upload your images there. Once they're uploaded, create a share link and save it in a handy place like Notepad or a Google Doc. We want everything accessible and organized. Now head over to Canva and let's create a simple PDF file. This file will be the container for your clip art images. Add a download button and connect it to the share link you created in the previous step. This way, when someone buys your product and clicks the download button, they'll be redirected to your Google Drive folder to access the images. Easy peasy. Alright, let's talk about where to sell your fantastic clip art. You've got options like Etsy, but personally, I prefer Redbubble. It's beginner friendly and makes the process smoother. Now, here's the important part. Don't upload the original images. We've got to protect our hard work, right? So let's slap a watermark on them. Canva's got your back on this one. Just type in your store name, tweak the opacity a bit, and bam, a subtle watermark secured. Perfect. If you've decided to go with Redbubble, let me guide you through the process. Start by creating an account, and once you're in your dashboard, click on your profile picture and select Manage Portfolio. From there, click on Add New Work. You'll have the option to upload your clip art image. Now, here's a piece of advice. Niche down and find your own unique style to stand out. Experiment and see what brings in that first sale, and then double down on that success. But for now, I think your mission is crystal clear. Create amazing clip art to fill up your store. You've got this. Will you be trying this method out? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Trust me, you want to be the first to know about our next videos because I've got some exciting tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make money like a pro. See you next time.